Here I've got Stanley S241 and let me show you how to activate portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select more under wireless and networks, and then go to tethering and portable hotspot. Here it is. And now simply click on Wi-Fi hotspot. And if you truly want to activate it, click on this switcher to activate your portable hotspot. You will notice this sign, and that means that your portable hotspot is active now. Some other devices can connect with network through your device. If you would like to personalize your Wi-Fi hotspot, simply click on Setup Wi-Fi hotspot, where you can update network name, simply delete the current one and enter a new one. And also you can change the password, simply click on Show Password to see what your current password is. Now you can delete it easily and then enter a new one. Just remember that your password must have at least 8 characters, and it will be HardReset.Info. And then click on Save. And wait a couple of seconds until the changes are uploaded. That's it. So as you can see now, your portable hotspot is active and it has new network name and also the password. If you would like to switch off your hotspot, simply tap on the same switcher as in the beginning. You can also have a quick access to Wi-Fi hotspot. Simply slide down the upper bar where you will notice a hotspot icon over here. Click on it, and that's it. You've just activated portable hotspot. If you'd like to switch it off, tap on it one more time. And that's basically all. This is how you can activate personal hotspot on your device in your Stanley S241. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.